In this short tutorial, I want to highlight the key features of Smilefy 4.5 that make creating a digital motivational wax-up more efficient and seamless than ever before. With Smilefy 4.5, you gain access to cutting-edge tools and technology that enable facially driven design adjustments to ensure harmony with the patient's features, AI-powered interproximal space adjustments for precision and consistency, automatic palatal area adjustments, saving time and ensuring high-quality results, heat map thickness control, providing instant visual feedback for meeting minimal and maximal thickness requirements. Each of these features is designed to simplify your workflow and help you create stunning, patient-motivating mock-ups with confidence and ease. Let's dive in. After analyzing the patient's data, Smilefy AI presents two occlusal curve options, one ideal and symmetric, and the other tailored to follow the patient's natural arch. In the first step, you define the smile frame to create a visual reference and gain a clear understanding of the patient's facial characteristics. The 3D smile design is generated automatically using AI analysis of the patient's facial features and intraoral scan data. This serves as the initial proposal, which you can fully customize to meet the patient's needs. One of the key quality control steps for achieving a perfect design is thickness control. Whether you're 3D printing mock-up shells or preparing veneers for milling, ensuring that your design meets the required minimal thickness is essential. To do this, simply activate the heat maps and set your desired minimal and maximal thickness values. The heat map will then display on the selected tooth, providing immediate feedback. Red indicates the minimal thickness is not met. Yellow and green show that you're within the safe range. Blue means the design exceeds the maximal thickness. With this visual guide, you can easily adjust your design to ensure it meets the thickness requirements. To deliver an outstanding experience for your patient with a motivational mock-up, it's crucial to clean the palatal area. This ensures the patient feels the mock-up closely resemble veneers, allowing them to talk, close their mouth, and chew comfortably. Manually cleaning the palatal area with brushes can be time-consuming. However, with the automatic palatal adjustment, you can save time while achieving consistently high-quality results. Here's how it works. Select a single tooth or all teeth in the design. Click Apply. The Smilefy technology will instantly analyze the patient's scan and design, adjusting the mock-up veneers within seconds. This streamlined process makes it faster and easier to provide your patients with a seamless, high-quality motivational mock-up. You can use the mesh editing brushes to adjust the template by refining the gingival margins and more. This advanced technology ensures that all modifications preserve the natural morphology and shape integrity. The liquefied deformation tool is now integrated into the 3D screen, enabling you to make adjustments directly on the face. This feature gives you full control over facial harmony, allowing you to artistically refine the design to perfectly complement the patient's facial features. With this enhancement, you can create more personalized, aesthetically pleasing designs while ensuring seamless alignment with the overall facial structure. The interproximal spaces AI adjustments is a powerful feature designed to ensure precise adjustments for composite veneers. This tool analyzes your design and provides a visual analysis result, allowing you to make accurate modifications with ease. Here's how it works. Perform a design analysis to view the visual results. Click the correct button to apply adjustments. Optionally, set a specific value for the contact points, 0 for a perfect touch, or, for example, 0.2 to create a slight gap. This ensures you achieve optimal precision and consistency in your veneer designs. The final step is to unify all templates with the intraoral scan and create a printable model. Simply click the Pin the Mockup button, generate the mockup model, close the mesh, and your design will be ready for 3D printing.